sa Grand House. Unfortunately, puno. So, we're willing to wait. Pangalawa pa daw kami.
Depends, willing to wait. If siguro an hour, ayun.
Siguro talagang masarap.
Ay,
Bali may nag-bill out na po.
ayun, may nag-bill out.
So, in case umalis po sila, kayo po muna yung ilalagay.
Salamat.
So, hindi natatanggal ang mga more than 5
So,
hours.
naman mo mga 15.
Ayan, okay, sige.
Thank you. Yan na.
So, ayun.
See you mamaya sa mga food.
Sumama si ate sa vlog namin. Ang gusto ko na kasi namin ditong i-try is the oyster cake. They have, delicious oyster cake in town. So, okay, see you. Bye! Nakaupo na kami sa Grand House. Definitely will order the oyster cake. So they have miswa. You like miswa?
No, I don't like.
Why?
This one is
The Hong Maui Tiak Papaw. Okay. Okay. So, total of 1,627. Okay lang. Yeah? Affordable. Pwede. Pwede siya. Hindi siya ganun price.